One of us. Oh!
2 downstairs.
Lobby C4 him down.
Yeah, since the Me Too movement, he's had to reconsider his strategy.
Yeah. People say it's Reese brutality. That's harder!
Ah, jeez. You're a slag. You're absolutely a slag and no one loves you.
Wait, you saying that to me?
No, I was saying it to God. Yes, I'm saying it to you, you bellend.
To God? Is that the first thing you can think of?
Literally.
Saying it to God? Oh, my boy upstairs.
Holy beloved Jesus.
Guess what?
What?
You're bent. Gay.
I'm only bent for you.
Dan, your brother sucked you off, you weirdo.
So did your sister.
With his little round face, he sucked you off.
I heard you hand job Jed, sorry.
Oh yeah, I hand job myself then, yeah? Let's go with that.
Dan is Jed.
Yeah, I'm the dad to me. Here we go.
Just a strike straight out. Great Alexa, pause. Alexa!
Alexa, come suck my balls.
UAV, don't know.
I just got a cluster strike from the fucking box. Alexa! Pause! I will literally, I will punch this whore one day. I've seen me go.
And that's gonna get bleeped.
Dan, Ian and dead.
That's not gonna get
There's
bleeped.
a team on there. Let's get him.
Yeah, I just cluster striked him.
Wait, just got this ladder.
Daddy, come in.
And then they're gonna be. Across there, Brad.
Yeah, him.
I got bullets on him. Going off down here. There. I can't get him anymore.
Oh man.
I'm pushing.
I'm almost dead.
Missed every shot. You're not. Oh, you can't even make it, so. Oh, it was Reese, that's why.
Yeah, Corey, come over and help me. I know he's over here. They're doing them.
What are you gay? Dan, have you got your loader?
Yeah.
Oh, drone, yeah, smart.
You're welcome. Yeah. 2 coming up the ladder.
Oh, Corey.
Guy's down.
Yeah,
Brad.
I'll get you in a sec. Bro.
The guy's down.
Brad,
Okay.
get him. Yeah, I got that one.
Cheers, bud.
So, you say 2, another one coming up the ladder.
Yeah, one of us coming up now.
Okay,
He's just dropped off.
yeah, I see him. Oh shit, it's C4.
It's mine.
Okay.
Okay, it's there.
Extra cash if you need it.
Yeah, let's go do that recon, boys.
I'm going to die now. I'm going to frickin' die now.
Guy right there, lads. Guy right there. I've just seen him poke.
Okay.
He looked like he was on his own.
I'll be the other half of that team, I'm guessing.
Yeah.
Okay. Pushing him.
He's dipped.
Let's refill with ammo in here.
Hey,
Right, I'm going cancel my last.
it's empty.
Let's go. Just go.
Alright, let's refill with ammo. I need ammo though.
Watch the hills, lads.
Let's go.
With the sound of music.
Dan? Yeah, good luck. I'm getting popped
Oh my God,
from
he's in the truck.
another
I
building as well,
forgot.
near the
Oh
recon.
shit.
I need to try that.
Actually, this building, they're shooting us from this
Oh
one.
shit,
downed
I just
3
got
of them.
popped.
And they all came back.
Yeah, be careful, lads. They're popping from where I picked the loot.
Point 90.
This ain't a
Ah,
good position
sorry.
to be in.
I thought one was left. That's it.
What? I can't use that. Right, let's go get Brad.
Yeah, dip to the buy station, boys.
I need plates if I'm going to be honest. We can get those. Though.
Just run. Oh my
Dan,
god.
have you
Whole
got any
team
spare
on me.
ones?
Whole team. Oh my god.
One downstairs, lads. Just finish him.
Downstairs.
One of them. Oh!
2 downstairs.
Lobby C4 him down.
Christ almighty. That scared the shit out of me. Still the light in the door.
Nothing. Down. He's there. Nice. Play up, Danny boy.
I need to.
What
the fuck?
He's the last one. He's the last one.
Dan! No!
He's not the last
He's not
one.
right.
He ain't the last
Oh, was
one.
it
No.
Oh, I've still got gulag.
He's on top. Dan, jump. He's on the other side of yours.
I know he is.
Wait, what you doing?
Give me fucking 2 seconds. Let me just play how I play. Shut up.
Oh,
Team wipe.
Fucking
Let's go.
piss off.
Play
Hi.
up, boy.
Nope.
Play up.
Is it a team wipe, Dan?
Yeah, team wipe.
Right, I'm coming back onto your building.
Oh, no, he's not.
Where's all my shit?
Over here, Reese.
Fuck!
Hurry up, the gas is coming.
I did in my old house. I had them all like wound around the thing. I didn't do it.
Fuck. So many stuff has just disappeared.
Ah!
More cash. Let's go.
That's not even my guns.
Don't worry, Reece, you got time.
Fuck it. I've got awful guns, but life moves on.
Reese, just be aware that's a fucking dick.
Ah, shit.
Come on, then. Fuck. Come down. Huh? Come down. Smoke you, fam.
Oh, wow. I got armor off one of them. If you can get in here and revive me, that would be beautiful. They're coming.
They're pushing. They're pushing. Don't stand in the same place.
Can you take off the stand, bro? Is that what you're on about? No.
They're gonna have to jump off, Dan.
They already have.
There's one there.
Ow, bollocks.
Oh, you have all the money.
Hey! Hey! Hey!
Good shooting. Yeah, he picks it up.
Fuck. Dick.
They're not wanting it, Chief. They're probably going straight through.
Oh, fuck.
Ooh,
I
yeah.
got 6 kills.
Ooh, hello. Ooh la la.
Yeah, he won it. Fair play. Get your loadout, Chief.
Teasing.
Get an ammo class. Nice. Stuff. Oh, right, yeah, you sometimes have to flick the latch up and down. I think. Oh, go on, Dan, kill them all.
Dan, you packy. I've seen so many cars recently. It makes me wish
Damn,
I
it is
fucking
X50.
RPG.
16 a kid, bro. I love a C4 it. I should love the C4 on.
No!
Should have blew it up.
No,
There's
you're
a
just
guy
gonna
there.
drive her out.
Oh! Well then.
This is such a Dan final plan.
Are you gonna try and get to the tower, Dan? Oh, they're in there.
Nice blind spot, love it. Yeah, for your plates.
No, no.
Love it. I fucking love it.
Hello. I don't think I've played since the start of this one.
Don't, yeah, don't make noise. Just stay there, don't move, and no one will fucking see you. Oh my god. Oh my god, just stay still.
Ah!
Stay down.
They cannot see me. I am Ghost.
No, Ghost is dead, though.
He's not, because I'm still alive right now.
Although,
Dan, you haven't clutched in a while, so it's about time you clutch.
He's in the mid. Fucking hell. Just stay where he was.
Oh, parachuting.
Get that door closed. It's amazing. Now you need to show your face on one door, not both doors. Okay, fair. Jump on the other one. Yeah, baby. It's average of 2 players a team as well. Oh, fuck.
Got a way out.
Yeah, there's a door there.
they're above.
There
They're
might be
above him.
ups- They're above you. Don't
They're
worry,
gonna have to drop.
jump.
Yeah, let them drop first. If you'll be able to hear them. Because they're gonna parachute out.
There you go.
Hello there.
Get him! Come on, Dan! Oh my god, my guy! No, man.
They know you've got to move down. Ah.
Oh shit.
Nope.
C4. Go!
Oh, wait, lucky.
I swear the C4 hit him in the face and that killed him.
Hey, well in.
Oh, we finished second as well.
We've had 2 of those tonight, haven't we? Where we just had like
Yeah.
limit second.